I need a wiring diagram for a Series 1150, 250cc, 2013 Briggs Stratton motor with electric start. The owner's manual has no info at all covering the wiring of the electric starter. I bought the motor for a motorized bicycle project and it is pre-wired to go into an existing application, so I don't have any hookups to clarify the wiring situation. Any help would be greatly appreciated. I bought this from Northern Tool, Briggs Stratton 1150 Series Horizontal OHV Engine, 250cc, 3/4 inch. X2 and 27/64 inches. Shaft, electric start, model #XXXXX. Thanks, RW.
Hey there, I'm Richard G. What are you using for a key switch and start switch? Do you have a starter solenoid? Are you wiring the charging system as well? Do you have a voltage regulator? Thanks.
I have a momentary start switch, but would like a diagram using a key switch. I have a starter solenoid. The motor has a voltage regulator on it with 2 wires white/gray coming out of it. There is one black wire emerging from the lower oil filler port that runs to something between the stating gear. I have the original rocker switch with the wires still on it, red, white, gray, from after I removed the motor from the box.
This is a typical wiring diagram to wire an engine. We can discuss this further after you have viewed the diagram. To be more specific on your wire colors, I would need to know where the red, white and gray wires connect to that you mentioned. From the wiring diagram, you should be able to complete the setup. A 3-position key switch should work, as all the way left would be off, middle would be run and all the way right would be start. If we need to discuss this further, please reply back here. Thanks.
The gray wire comes out of the voltage regulator and goes to the oil sentry port, and the white wire goes to the rocker switch in the photo. The black wire in the photo, the one with the white plug on it, appears to be going to the alternator, between the stating gear and the motor. If you can specify on your drawing these features, that would be a great help. Most of your drawing I completely understand. Thanks, R. W.
On each part, I put the part name on the drawing. The letters are a little bit smaller, but readable. I didn't want to clutter it. The electric part on the crankcase, which senses the oil level. If oil level gets too low, it actually shuts the engine off. It should not go to the regulator at all. From the alternator, a wire runs to the regulator. From the regulator another wire can either run to the switch or battery solenoid or even the battery itself. It usually connects to the battery wire on the solenoid. The wire going to the alternator will plug directly into the regulator. Let me know which parts aren't clear after that, please. Thanks.
Sounds good. I will try to wire it to your schematic, thanks.
Very good. Thanks.
Apparently, this motor has no oil sentry as previously thought. I have drawn a sketch of the existing wiring on the motor. It appears that the regulator is wired as shown in figure 1 below. Note the gray wire coming out of the regulator going into a special fitting, normally used as an extra oil filer port on the lower left-hand side of the engine. The white wire comes out of the regulator and goes to a rocker switch as shown. which connects to the kill wire of the armature, spark plug coil, ignition. I've identified the alternator wire with a diode, AC to DC, from a Briggs Stratton chart, but this regulator setup is confusing and I'm unable to find any info on it. Please help. Here is the motor, http://www.northerntool.com/shop/tools/product_200514,220.
I'm not sure what the box between the low oil alert or low oil shutdown is. I'm assuming that is a low oil shutdown. The website is incorrect, cause they show another engine, but that engine does not have the part as you do. I bet that box between the white wire and gray wire is a buzzer and sounds when the oil becomes low. Thanks.
I tried to activate the regulator as a buzzer to no avail. Sure wish I could find out what this setup is without taking the engine apart.
It's not a regulator, as it can't charge the system. It's some type of oil alarm. And my best guess would be that it needs to be tied into the alternator wire. This would provide power to it, when engine is on. Or whether connected to the positive post on battery. I'm not showing the say wire colors to be a regulator at all for Briggs. Let me dig up some info on Tuesday and get back with you. I need the engine serial number and model number if not provided to me already. Richard 41519.05996966065.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.